Welcome to the AU680 Daily Maintenance on-the-Job Training module. Here, we'll familiarize you with the essentials needed to perform daily maintenance on the 680. That means going through the ISC and analyzer maintenance routines. We'll begin by clearing and updating all data from the status index. Then go to the analyzer maintenance to perform ISC and analyzer maintenance step by step. We'll check your reagent status from there and remove or replace expired or empty reagents. Finally, we'll requisition calibrations on reagents that need it and QC all reagents on board. After this module, there'll be a hands-on demonstration by your facilitator or trainer. Feel free to ask questions at that point. Now let's begin. Before we begin, the analyzer must be in standby, so select the feeder stop button. This will allow the analyzer to continue measuring ongoing tests before going into standby. Once in standby, we'll be ready to begin daily maintenance. At the top left-hand corner of the screen, select the Start Condition button. Now select Edit. Next, select Create a New Index at the top of the screen. You'll notice the automatic update to today's date. Select Confirm at the far left-hand corner of the screen to save your changes. Wait a few seconds for the change to finalize, then you're done. Now here's a quick tip. Tests can be disabled at this point by selecting the Disable button at the far right of the screen. Click the test that you want to disable, then select Disable to stop the test from being measured on the analyzer. That's it. Simply repeat the process to re-enable the test. Now let's go back to the home screen and we'll begin the ISC and analyzer maintenance. On the bottom of the screen, select Analyzer Maintenance. This is the User Maintenance home screen. It displays all the tasks required to perform daily, weekly, and monthly maintenance on the AU680. Let's begin by visually inspecting all syringes and tubings for leaks. Now check the bulk reagent supplies and storage tanks for leaks. Remember to replenish or refill depleting supplies as needed. Now let's open the analyzer cover and continue the maintenance by visually inspecting all probes for wear and tear. Then we'll manually wipe them with alcohol swabs and repeat the same process for all the mixers. Next, visually inspect and refill all % wash detergent bottles with the respective % detergents and put fresh DI water into the water bottle. Open the ISC cover and inspect all components for leaks. Then close it after inspection. Now, we're going to select the Analyzer Maintenance box under the Update button located at the upper right of the screen. This will enable you to select the Prime Wash Line button. At the pop-up menu, select OK. Then press the green button on the analyzer to begin priming the lines. Whilst the AU680 is priming the wash lines, open the Stat cover and use the rotation handle to rotate to the slot that says Clean. Fill a Hitachi cup with ISC Clean and insert it into the Clean slot. Use the rotation handle to find the slots that says SL and SH. Fill a Hitachi cup with low serum calibrator using the yellow top serum low calibrator bottle and insert it into the SL slot. Fill another Hitachi cup with high serum calibrator using the red top serum high calibrator bottle and insert this into the SH slot. Now close the stat cover and uncheck the analyzer maintenance box to put the analyzer back into standby once the prime has completed. Select the ISE Maintenance tab. At the bottom of the screen, select Cleaning. Now hit the green button on the analyzer to commence the ISE cleaning. Once the ISE cleaning is complete, select the ISE Maintenance box. Then select Total Prime and press the green button on the analyzer to begin priming the ISE lines. After priming the ISE lines, deselect the ISE Maintenance box. This puts the analyzer back into standby mode. Then select the Calibration tab under the ISE Maintenance button. Then select Serum Start to initiate the ISE calibrations. After the ISE calibration, select the slope chart. Visually inspect it for issues and note the automatic update for today's date. Let's go to the ISE Maintenance and highlight what we've completed on the task list. Then, select Update to change the dates. Go back to the Analyzer Maintenance and repeat the process to update each task performed by highlighting the completed task and selecting the Update button. Once both task lists have been updated, you're ready to move on to reagent management. So, we'll return to the home screen to continue. Select Reagent Management from the bottom of the screen to begin replenishing reagents. Let's start specifically by selecting the Details tab. Here you'll see a list of all the reagents on board, and you'll be able to scroll up and down to inspect the reagents for onboard stability, depletion, and do calibrations. You will also be able to print out a reagents list for better management from the bottom left of the screen. You'll also have to remove the R1 and R2 covers to replace, remove, or add reagents as needed. Once you've finished replacing or replenishing reagents, close the covers and perform a reagent check by selecting Reagent Check at the bottom of the screen. After the reagent check, review the comments list to ensure that there's no issues with reagent placement. If everything is okay, we can proceed to Rack Requisition on the home screen to request calibrations and QCs. After selecting Rack Requisition, select Calibrations. Then select Start Entry. Go to Individual Requisitions and identify the reagents that need calibrating. Close the pop-up window by selecting Close. Then select Entry to save your requested settings. Now, let's request our QCs by selecting the QC tab next to the Calibration tab. Then select Start Entry. Next, select Individual Requisitions to request all reagent QCs by selecting the Select All button. Do not accidentally hit the Select All by Test next to it. Then, close the window by selecting Close and then select Entry to save your requested QCs. Here's a quick tip. To request QC panels for validation or evening-night QC panels, select the Profile button after selecting Start Entry. Then choose the respective QC and close the pop-up window. That's it. Just don't forget to select Entry to save your settings. Now let's go back to the Calibration tab and select the Display Cal Cup Set on the bottom of the screen to reveal the calibration racks you'll need for calibrations. Then put insert cups into the calibration tubes on the calibration racks and make sure that the insert cups are in the correct positions corresponding to the requested calibrations. Next, fill the insert cups with calibrators. Then select Display QC Cup Set next to the Display Cal Cup Set and repeat the process of inserting QC cups into the QC tubes on QC racks, then filling them with the respective QCs. Once you've completed these steps, you can load the calibration and QC racks on the analyzer. Go back to the home screen and select Analyzer Status. Visually check the analyzer status for any issues. If everything is okay, you've completed the AU680 daily maintenance. Congratulations! You can now select Start to begin test measurements. You are now ready for the live demonstration after taking a short quiz and participating in the online survey. Press Next to continue. And again, welcome. Please don't hesitate to ask questions and always do your best. Good luck.